For this week's assignment, we're going to be writing about the story on page 228. So first we're going to make our story. Here's my story. What can you do? This is for you. What can you do? I can do this, said Dad. What can we do? And if we look at the picture, it looks like they're trying to jump rope. We can do this. Now it looks like they're all jump roping together. So now let's go back to the other page and write about what happened. I wrote, they play together outside. So you can also even go back and write about what they were playing too. When you're done with this part of the assignment, just ask an adult to help you take a picture and post it to Google Classroom.